Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to leave a clan in Golf Clash. To leave a clan in Golf Clash, first of all, open up the Golf Clash application on your mobile device and log in. Now, from the home page, first make sure to tap on the clan tab that you've joined into. The clan tab will be appeared at the bottom right corner, this one over here. After you open up the clan that you've joined into, from the clan page, tap the eye icon at the top right corner. This will then open up your clan profile. To leave a clan, tap on the red leave button. Click on leave once again to confirm. And with just simple tap, you will be able to leave from a clan. After leaving, you will lose access to clan perks and communication. You can join another clan immediately or stay clanless, but your contributions to the current clan will remain the same. So that's how you easily leave a clan you no longer want to be a member of in Golf Clash application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.